are the two boards that are foil boards that we've got. That one doesn't have a board yet. This is the one that you saw me making. But if we go to this one here, so this is the board that I made in part 1. That was like a year ago. So if you look here, we got the mast. This is just a bit of plywood that's been rounded on this side and planed down on both sides to make a point. It's attached by 2 brackets, so there's another bracket on the other side, bolt there, and then if we go on this side, there's a 10mm threaded rod that's epoxied into the mast. That's just screwed on there, and we've got a blue screw and just a normal screw. And if we go to the other side, there's another 10mm threaded bar epoxied in there. It goes about 10 centimeters, 100mm into the thing, and then just 2 other screws to hold it in place, and there's also a bit of epoxy on there as well. Alright, the rear wings, fins, they're on about 25 degree angle up, and also they're pointing downwards because of physics. Yeah, physics. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it good. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, because the next one's gonna be a banger.